Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix unable to confirm location on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in betmgm.com. Then it will ask you to select your location. So in this space, make sure to select the correct location. If you select a location different from your current location, then the problem might occur. So select the correct location. After you select it, you will get to this page. Now let's say you are trying to log into your account, and after you enter your login credentials, click on the login button. And then I get this error. Now to solve this, you can either use a proxy or use a paid VPN. If you do either of those and you click on this login button, then you can log into your account. And also while logging in, make sure to enter your login credentials correctly. After you follow these steps correctly, you'll be logged into your account. As you can see, I am logged into my account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful.